Oh no. Everett has the hiccups. I didn't know he was going to be sad. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. What's wrong, buddy? What's wrong? Those darn hiccups? Oh boy. See, we're on the other side of the hospital now, where the healthier babies are. So that's exciting news. Yeah. Darn those hiccups. Darn those hiccups. Oh boy. Mommy just put me back in my crib. Why would I do such a thing? He's gonna have to be weighed and temperature taken. His feeding is coming soon. You can hear all the wonderful beeps that never stop, trying to drown him out with his machine. Huh. You're usually looking at that machine. Say hi, Dada, I love you. Hi, all my aunties, my family, and my friends, I love you. This is where Everett's scar is from his line that was in. Other than that, he's looking good. We just need to get these tubes out of his nose. Oh, buddy. I know. Get them out. So I love you, everyone. Thank you for thinking of me. Oh no, are we going to hear you cry? Are we going to hear you get mad? Did you pacifier? Did you pacifier? It's a lot of noise for a Saturday night. There we go. There we go. No.